Programming and coding is high in demand skill in today's world where everything is moving towards automation. With the increase in demand, there are a lot of people shifting their career towards coding and software engineering. But most of the people failed to excel in this field. People failed to learn programming and algorithms and ended up quitting their career. This video will help you know about a common issue that many people face while learning to code. We often encounter situations where we feel like giving up and adopting our ability. In this video, we'll discuss why people fail while coding and provide some tips to prevent such failures. Firstly, it's important to understand that learning to code doesn't mean you have to become the best coder in the world or compete with others. The main goal is to learn coding and apply it to solve problems, whether it's for monetary gain, building products, or managing businesses effectively. One of the major reasons people fail is trying to learn everything at once. They just watch someone who is very well in particular technology, so they want to become the same. After some time, they move to learn another programming language, thinking it's high in demand and high paid jobs. But the problem that arises is that they don't focus on one thing and their minds get distracted in trying out different technologies. You may want to learn web development because it's high in demand and you start learning from a front end, but when you realize that data science is another emerging field and it's the highest paying job, then you move learning data science technologies. If you attempt to learn multiple technologies simultaneously, it can overwhelm you and hinder your progress. It also wastes your time because you are not mastering a single skill. The best way is to focus on learning one technology thoroughly and become an expert in it. Once you feel confident and start earning from it, you can gradually explore and learn new technologies. Another mistake is aiming to create complex products right from the beginning. It's important to understand that success in coding requires taking small steps and mastering the fundamental building blocks. When you are learning HTML and CSS for web development, and then you jump towards creating a WhatsApp or an Uber clone without a solid foundation is an immature approach. What you have to do is break down the requirements and learn the necessary programming languages, concepts, and techniques step by step. This way, you will have a better understanding and control over your projects. And the most important thing that people lack is they don't build and improve their programming logic. So, what's the solution? The solution is consistency. Consistency is the key. Whether it's learning, coding, or solving programming problems, maintaining a regular practice routine is crucial. By practicing consistently and solving a variety of problems, you build confidence and improve your skills. Start with easier problems and gradually challenge yourself with more difficult ones. Over time, you will see tremendous growth and become capable of tackling complex tasks. Remember, learning to code is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a growth mindset. Don't compare yourself to others or rush to achieve instant success. Focus on your own progress, learn one technology at a time, and aim for steady improvement. With dedication and the right mindset, you can overcome challenges and become a successful coder. So keep learning and growing in your coding journey and subscribe to our channel for more information. Remember, success comes to those who persevere and never give up.